Hi, my name is Devidas Shinde. I have completed my graduation in BCA from Savitribai Phule Pune University in 2018. After that, I was looking to make my career in network domain. Then I was searching institute and academies. Then I got to know about Evision Technoserve is one of the best online training institute to intellect me in IT domain online. I really enjoy all the online classes. After the coming here, I have developed my lots of confidence in online job internship program, and I got offer from Capgemini with 3 LPA, and I would recommend to all those who are looking to make career in IT domain, then they should be join Technosource. So I would like to say thank you, Evision, and thanks a lot for making my career, for helping my career.